Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm here with another video, and today I wanted to share my coloring page for Rosemary's open collaboration. Hashtag color and create with us, you rock art. Hosted by Rosemary. She is Rosemary, you rock art. I'll have her link down below, and I'll have the hashtag in my title. Okay, so this week's um, what do you call it, page is a cactus, and I just used two different greens just to have some contrast. And then I used pink because I colored her eyes and her little tongue pink. So I do love how that turned out. And then the pot that she's in, I just colored it in brown, different color browns. Um, where there is overlay, you want to make that darker to make a shadow. And yeah, that's all I did for that page. This page is really cute. This little cactus is adorable. So Rosemary has chosen it for next week's page is this little chihuahua. And this looks like a lot of fun to color. I can't wait to color him. Yeah, so that is my page for this week's open collaboration. I can finally breathe, and hopefully I'll craft a little bit more this week. I know it's supposed to snow Wednesday night into Thursday, so yeah. I'm kind of looking forward to it. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.